guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Cris Bron, and thank you so much for being here. So for today's video, it's going to be on this makeup look right here. I am definitely happy and very obsessed of how this look turned out today. So yeah, if you guys are interested of learning how to achieve this holiday glam, so please continue watching. Guys, I already put my moisturizer on. As you guys already know that I am so into preparing my skin before anything or before foundation. I did use my Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion. And let's moving on to my primer, and for today's primer I'll be using my Nyx Honey Dew primer. I really love this product, guys, as it makes me more dewy and keeping my foundation in place or makeup look in place. And now it's good to go. I'll be doing my foundation, and for today's foundation I'll be using my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm in the shade 330 if you guys are wondering. And then I'll be taking this using my foundation brush. And then I'll be using my Eco Tool sponge to blend everything in. So now it's done. I'll be doing my eyebrows off the camera and I'll be right back. Hooray! My eyebrows are finally done. I'm going to conceal my under eyes, and to do that I'll be getting my Tarte Shape Tape. And this is in a shade 10 Sand. I'll be using my Eco Tool sponge. And for today's contour, guys, I'll be using my LA Pro Contour Cream. And then I'll be taking this using my Morphe 164 brush. Taking my Real Technique brush to blend everything in. I do like blending my foundation out as my cream contour. I do like to dab it and also softly blend it in circular motion and kind of blend everything together, but mainly dabbing the cream is the best way to get the results with. And then to highlight my T-zone, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And to set my concealer, I'll be using my Mercier translucent powder. And then I'll be using my Eco Tool sponge. So now I'll be blending this out using my Beige Cosmetics 125 brush. Now let's bronze up a little bit. I'll be using my Parkave Princess by Tarte. And then I'll be taking my Beige Cosmetics number 15 brush. I am applying this on my temples of my forehead just to add color there. I know that my forehead is really small and I feel like to do this anyway because that's how I do my face all the time. And then I'll be doing my blush, and for today's blush, I'll be using my Sephora Colorful. And this is in the shade Amuse Me. I'll be taking this using my Beige Cosmetics 126 brush. I am so excited to do this tutorial for you guys because I'm going to use my Morphe 350 Second Nature palette, and this is very beautiful palette. There's so many warm tones in the palette, which is I do love, and I did use this palette over the last weekend and I did get a lot of compliments with my entire look, so I feel like I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys. So to start with, I'm going to use my Zoeva brush 228, and I'm going to take the universal in the palette. I am going to apply this mainly on my outer corner and on my crease. As you guys can see, I'm doing a circular motion. And then using the same brush, I'll be taking the orb in the palette. I'm going to apply this the same way how I did on the first shade. And then using my Zoeva brush 227, I'll be taking the spice in the palette. And then I'll be taking the chestnut in the palette using my Zoeva brush 231. With these shades, I will be focusing onto my outer corner. And then I'm going to drag this a little bit onto my crease. And using my 230 Zoeva brush, I'll be taking the In the Sun in the palette. The shades right here. And then I'll be just putting this onto my outer corner. And then back again to my Zoeva brush 228. I'll be using this to blend every harsh lines going on. And then I'll be taking Maddie in the palette, using the same brush. And this is the Zoeva brush 230. I'll be taking just a tiny little bit in the palette because this is the darkest shades that I'm going to put. And I don't want to mess around it. I don't want that and you don't want that. As you can see guys, that I am just focusing on my outer corner because I just want to make that kind of eye look. In this look guys, I'm going to use my Tarte shape tape. I'll be putting this on my eyelid. And then I'll be using my concealer brush. And then spread all the concealer on my eyelid. Is looking up as much as possible as I can. And spread. And using my 226 smudger brush, I'll be taking the Universal in the palette. And then I'll be dabbing this where the concealer. And then again, I'll be taking the In the Sun in the palette using my Zoeva brush 231. I'll be using this just to connect the concealer and to get rid of all the harsh line. And that way I can get the smoother cut crease. And then I'll be taking the Spice in the palette using my 231 Zoeva brush. And then I'll be using my Morphe Y21 brush using the Muddy in the palette. And then I'm just taking this just right in my lower lash line, but right in the outer corner. And I'll be using my NYX liquid liner. For my mascara, I'll be taking Maybelline Sensational Full Pan Effect Mascara. For my false lashes, I'll be taking my Doll Face False Lashes. And then for my highlight, I'll be taking my Zoeva Summer Strobe Highlighting Palette. I'll be taking the shades right here using my pan brush. And then for my lips, I'm going to use my Chi Chi lip pencil, and this is in the shade Spite. For my liquid lipstick, I'll be taking my NYX liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Exotic. And then I'll be taking my Glam Glow setting spray. As you guys already know that I am so obsessed with this product. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it now for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super glam makeup holiday look, and I hope you guys do create this look on your holiday. And if you do, please don't forget to tag me in those photos. I would love to see them all. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.